Hi everyone, I hope you are doing very well. In today's session, we will see how to create expression rules. So first of all, let me tell you what is expression rule. Expression rule consists of any functions through which we want application to do something, some task to do. So for this, we will create application expressions. Expressions will be created in the expression editor. So in order to create the expression, click on new and go to the expression rule. We need to give the name. There are two ways we can duplicate existing rule, but since we do not have another rule here, so we can't duplicate and create from scratch. Let's say I'm giving this as test rule name. This name already exists. Let's say test rule 1. This also exists. Let's give test rule 100. Okay, description. And here you can select the save in folder. I am saving this in TA rules and constant folder. You can create another folder as well. And we will create on click on create. So this expression editor will open with this name. So this is the expression rule and this is the expression editor where we'll write any expression. Let's say I want to print the current date. So I will write here now and we'll click on test rule. Once you click on test rule, you can see the time has been printed here. So similarly, there are different functions we can use here. This is to format our code. This is for decrease the indent and this is to increase the indent. This is to hide indent and this is for commenting. This is to search anything. This is to replace anything. These are domains I will tell you later on. These are the functions. If you want to add any function, you can go here and see what are the functions available and you can apply these functions. This is for if you want to view some icons, so you can click on here. So you can add those icons from here only. And this is to create constant. We will see in later classes. And this is to save this as expression. So once you can click on any expression and save this as a different expression. This is to launch the query editor, and this is to add translation string. We will see all this in later classes. So let's today write some basic functions so we can understand what expression rule can do. Let me write one sum function. So we can see sum and addend. Here we need to give the values. That is, I want to add 2 and 3 and click on test rule. Let's see what it will give. It will print as 5. Let's see if there are some different functions. We can go here and let's use append function. In what it does, it appends, there is some array and it appends some value in the array. Let's create some array. Let's say 1, 2, 3, and I want to append here 7. So it will print 1, 2, 3, and 7. Let's click on run. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 7 is printed here. Let's explore some more functions. Let's use index function. So this index function is just to give the index of the array. Let's say I have an array 1, 2, 5, 3, and I want the index, I want the value in the third index, so I will give 3, and here you need to give empty. So let me tell you what index function does. In index function, the first parameter is data, where we need to apply the indexing. Second is the index value, and third is the default. Default means if there is no index present in the data, so that means it will give some default value. So generally we keep it as empty. Let's I want to find out the value in the third index. I will click on test rule. So it will give us 5. And if I want to get the index on the fourth. So what value it will give? Let's see. It gives as value as 3. So I hope you are able to get some basic idea of expression rules. In later classes we will cover more functions and more complex expression rules. If you have any query or doubt for this session, please do write and post in the comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.